Welcome to Canal Street, Longport, the first turning on the left before the bridge over the Trent and Mersey Canal, coming on the road to Burslem from the A500 dual carriageway. There is free parking in view of the remains of the Price and Kensington Teapot Works. Follow the canal path under the bridge on the south bank of the canal.
This work?
On your left is an impressive narrowboat yard below some historical warehouses. We are now in the middle of the Steelite factory, formerly the Newbridge and Dalehall Works. This is the first glimpse of the tallest chimney in the Middleport Pottery. This is an original canal boat with a deeper draft that used to carry china clay and other raw materials from Liverpool. This was filmed with a low sun at about 9 o'clock in the morning before we were booked to go on the Middleport factory tour at 10:30 a.m.
The camera copes pretty well.
The lights are flickering in the tissue transfer decorating department on the first floor. Ahead are mills badly in need of TLC. The walk goes as far as the mill bridge off Milvale Street before we turn round and return to see more historical sites.
Morning.
The canal continues south to Etruria and the site of the 1986 National Garden Festival and what is now the Ceramic Valley Enterprise Zone. This is an established cycle route, so watch out for bikes.
Morning.
This is the beer garden of the former Duke of Bridgewater pub. It is another listed building, but it is now derelict. Spot the Dutch flag on this narrowboat traveller. Thanks for watching. Please let us know what you thought of this walk. Do you have any suggestions for further walks? Look out for more videos of our time in Stoke-on-Trent.